Warren Buffett once said, "Our favorite holding period is forever." This means he likes to keep his investments for a very long time. One of the oldest stocks he owns is Coca-Cola. He bought Coca-Cola shares in 1988 for $245 each. He still owns them today, and now each share is worth $588. This is a big increase. If you look at the numbers, he invested $1 billion back then, and now it's worth $22.7 billion. This took many years to happen. But what if you could almost double your money in just 1 year? It might seem unbelievable, but that's the power of Fidelity Index Funds. Some of these funds have done better than the S&P 500, a major stock market index. This shows how some smart investments can grow your money quickly. In this video, we will explain what these index funds are, how they work, and why they are important. We will also show you the top 6 index funds from Fidelity. At the end of this video, we will also tell you about one special fund that could almost double your money in 1 year. So make sure to watch the full video. Before we look at the top 6 Fidelity Index Funds, let's understand what they are, how they work, and why you might want to choose them. Fidelity Index Funds are a type of investment that tries to copy the performance of a specific market index, like the S&P 500. They do this by collecting money from many people to buy a wide variety of stocks or bonds that match the chosen index. This method is simple and gives you exposure to the entire market without needing someone to actively manage the investments. But now you think, why choose Fidelity Index Funds? Because they are easy to use, cost less, and great for people who want to invest for a long time. Most people are not very good at picking individual stocks, so instead of risking it on one stock, they can use these index funds to invest in many stocks at once. Starting as an investor can feel very confusing. There are over 7,000 mutual funds to choose from. To make it easier, you can begin by looking at just 1 or 2 companies known for their good quality. Fidelity is one of these companies. Fidelity Index Funds are a good place to start for a new portfolio. Here are the top 6 Fidelity Index Funds to buy and keep for a long time. They are listed from the lowest to the highest returns this year. Number 6. Fidelity 500 Index Fund. Fidelity 500 Index Fund, also known by the ticker symbol FXAIX. This fund is a top choice for investing in a collection of big United States companies. So far this year, it has given a 20.64% return. This means if you put in $10,000 at the beginning of the year, you would have $12,064 at the end, which is $2,064 more than you started with. If you invested $50,000, you would earn $10,320 more. And if you invested $100,000, you would have $20,640 more by the end of the year. The fund mostly invests in United States stocks, making up about 99.02% of its investments. It focuses on sectors like technology, finance, and retail. Many people choose this fund for their retirement savings, and it is often included in 401k plans. One of the best things about this fund is its low cost, with an expense ratio of just 0.015%. Over the past 10 years, this fund has averaged a 12.64% return each year. In terms of risk, this fund has a 5-year beta of 1, meaning it moves up and down with the market. It also has a positive alpha of 0.02 over the past 5 years, showing it has done slightly better than the S&P 500 index by 2%. Number 5. Fidelity Growth Discovery Fund. This fund is also known by the ticker symbol FDSVX. This fund has done really well this year, earning a return of 27.46%. Experts say it's a good buy, giving it a rank of 2 based on its size, cost, and past performance. If you invested $10,000 at the start of the year, it would now be worth $12,746. That's a gain of $2,746 in just 1 year. For $50,000, the gain would be $3,730. And for $100,000, the total value after 1 year would be $127,500. Over the past 5 years, the fund has an average yearly return of 12.02%, putting it among the top funds. Even in the last 3 years, it's still in the top group with a return of 12.9%. However, the fund has been a bit more unstable than others, meaning its returns can go up and down more. It has a 5-year beta of 1.01, which means it moves as much as the overall market. But on the bright side, It has a positive alpha of 2.15 over the past 5 years, showing that the fund managers have made good choices, picking investments that do better than the main market index, the S&P 500. Number 4. Fidelity NASDAQ Composite Index Fund. This fund is also known by the ticker symbol FNCMX. This fund has done really well this year. It has grown by 37.74%. So, if you put $10,000 into it at the beginning of the year, you would now have $13,774. That's a profit of $3,774 in 1 year. If you invested $50,000, your profit would be $18,700. And if you invested $100,000, your money would now be worth $137,746. This fund could be a bit more up and down compared to others because it has a 5-year beta of 1.11. But it has done better than the market over the past 5 years, shown by its positive alpha of 28. The fund doesn't trade very often, with a turnover of about 4%. This means it holds on to its investments longer and is carefully managed. Before we go further, if you are interested in earning from YouTube without showing your face or without making videos by yourself using artificial intelligence, like the video that you are watching right now, then I have a special free training for you. Check the first link in the description below to get instant access. Number 3. Fidelity Blue Chip Growth Fund. Fidelity Blue Chip Growth Fund is also known by the ticker symbol FBGRX. This fund is having a great year, with a return of 46.3% so far. If you had invested $10,000 at the start of the year, it would now be worth $14,638, giving you a profit of $4,638 in 1 year. If you had put in $50,000, your profit would be $23,150, making your investment worth $73,150 now. And if you had invested $100,000, it would be worth $146,380, giving you a profit of $46,380 in 1 year. The fund is doing so well because it invests in big, well-known companies that are expected to grow a lot. These companies are some of the biggest in the market, like those in the S&P 500 and Dow Jones Industrial Average, and usually have a market value of at least $1 billion. This fund focuses on companies that are expected to grow more than average, especially in the technology sector and consumer goods. Some of the top companies it invests in are Apple, Alphabet, and Amazon. Over the past 5 years, the fund has had an average yearly return of 16.3%, which makes it one of the best performers among similar funds. Number 2. Fidelity Select Technology Portfolio. This fund is also known by the ticker symbol FSPTX. This fund has done really well this year, with a return of 53.83% so far. It invests in a wide range of tech companies, including software, semiconductors, hardware, and fintech. It picks stocks that are likely to grow due to new technology, which explains its impressive 53.83% return this year. If you had put $10,000 into this fund at the beginning of the year, you would now have $15,383. That means you would have made a profit of $5,383. If you had invested $50,000, your profit would be around $26,900, making your total investment worth $76,830 by the end of the year. Over the past 5 years, this fund has also performed well, with an average annual return of 18.27%, placing it among the best in its category. Number 1. Fidelity Select Semiconductors Portfolio. Finally, at the top of our list is the Fidelity Select Semiconductors Portfolio, known as FSPLX. This fund has done the best this year, with a year-to-date return of 75.2%. Before we look at how much money that return means, let's see why this fund has done so well. This fund has done great because it focuses on the semiconductor industry, which is growing fast. There is more demand for things like AI, big data, cloud computing, and robotics. This Fidelity fund invests in big companies like NVIDIA, Taiwan Semiconductor, Broadcom, and ON Semiconductor. These companies have been doing better than their benchmark. FSPLX is also highly ranked, with a Zacks Mutual Fund rank of 1. It provides variety within the tech sector, investing in semiconductors, software, internet, and networking industries. Over the past 5 years, the fund has had an average annual return of 32.48%. It has also consistently beaten the broader market, with a positive alpha of 10.8. If you enjoy this video, then I think you will enjoy this one as well. Thanks for watching.